Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be testing out some foil from Bluebonnet Foil. Let's see how it measures up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell so that you never miss one of my videos. So let's get to foiling. A couple of months ago, Anne, one of my subbies on my blog, showed me how she made a foiled and laminated planner dashboard from a free sticker sheet download that she got from my site. I'll add a link to that in the description below. Then she started raving about how awesome her foil supplier was, so I asked them for some samples so that I could do a review. Here's what I received. I was really thrilled and surprised at how much foil they sent me. Each of these rolls measures 21 centimeters by 5 meters, and she sent me 6 rolls. I also asked her about pricing. As of today, the price on most of the colors is $5 a roll plus shipping. So the foil is very, very affordable. I received both laminator foil and heat reactive foil, so this is going to be a slightly long video as I test pretty much every technique that I know for using foil. And then you can decide. Did the foil pass the test? For the first test, I'm foiling onto adhesive. Although you could use 2-in-1 glue or any double-sided tape of your choice, I'm using a scrap piece of pink cardstock that I ran through a Xyron sticker maker. I probably didn't need to burnish it down quite this much. And now for the reveal. On to test number 2. For this test, I laser printed several copies of a new free download from Catherine Pooler onto some white cardstock. One quick caveat here, my laser printer may be on its last leg, so it may not have put down the right amount of toner, and I have had some foiling issues in the past. I'm just adding the foil over the image and putting it into a piece of copy paper that I'm using as a carrier sheet. And of course I had to try it out on each of the colors that she sent me. Now to reveal the first one. I think that still looks very pretty. I'm not sure that I got enough on there, so on the rest of these I am going to run it through twice just to be on the safe side. As I mentioned, the toner in my printer is not necessarily the best. Now to reveal on the purple. And the green. And finally, the holographic. For the third test, I'm going to be foiling on transfer gel. For this test, I'm using the new Deco Foil Duo that allows you to use it with or without a laminator. I had already applied it through a stencil and allowed that to dry. And now I'm going to apply some of the foil over that transfer gel, and then I'll run that through my die cutting machine just for some pressure. And now for the reveal. For the final test using the Laminator foils, I'm going to be foiling on some stamped images. I'm stamping this Hummingbird image with some embossing ink and then heat embossing it with some clear embossing powder. Then I'm placing some of the foil on top of those heat embossed images and running it through my laminator. And now for the reveal. Before moving on to the hot foil, let's take another quick look at all of the stuff that we've already foiled with the Laminator foil. And then you guys can tell me if you think that this was a pass or a fail. For the first test with the hot foil, I'm going to be using my Gemini hot foil press. I'm new to using this machine, so I'm still trying to figure out the right amount of pressure and heat to use with each brand of foil and for each size hot plate. On my last try, it seemed that the smaller plates needed less time and heat, while the larger ones needed more. I still need more practice. Still, I wanted to give this a try with this new foil. For my final test, I'm trying something I haven't seen done elsewhere. I have a foil quill for my scan and cut, and I've shown you how it works in a previous video. I'm leaving a link down in the description for you. And I also know that Memory Keepers has come out with a new freestyle foil quills for hand lettering. So I thought, I wonder if that would work with my Memory Keepers fuse tool. First I tried it with one of the rotary tips and was amazed at how well that worked. Then I'm trying it with a fine tip and using that through a stencil. Check this out. And now for the final reveal. I do have to say that I like these foils, but I'd like to hear what you think. Do you think that they passed or that they failed all of the tests that I ran them through? I'll also leave you a link for all of the different products that I use down in the description, as well as those videos that I mentioned earlier. Thank you so much for dropping in, and have a wonderful day. Happy crafting!